Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is a grocery haul that is hosted by Wanda from Miss Amaechi. You also can check out her other channel, Grandma Does It All. They both will be listed in my description box down below, as well as the link for the playlist for today's grocery haul. In today's grocery haul, I did pick up quite a few things. And this video definitely was previously recorded back at Christmas time, but I wanted to show what exactly my household normally buys on the normal. I'm not going to do too much talking in this video, but I'm definitely going to share some of the things that we do pick up on the normal. Lately, I have been just shopping for just 2 weeks at a time instead of 1 month at a time, because we all know that things such as fruit and vegetables don't last long in the house to where it can stand until you actually want to eat it or use it by a certain date. So I have been doing some meal prepping, and that has been helping out a lot to help myself from not buying just any and everything, but as well as not to overspend and just to focus on what meal is going to be for what day. So I hope that you all enjoy this video, and comment down below, how do you grocery shop? And be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below after you watch this video. And make sure you go over and show everyone in the playlist some love.
Possibilities lately, you got the best of me, yeah. close eyes till the sun come down. I'll keep on waiting, losing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? But you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you? Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? But you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you? Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary love. Don't you ever say you are not enough, baby, you're enough. So don't you be afraid and take a leap of faith. It doesn't have to be holy.
As we get ready to come to the end of the video, I wanted to say thank you all so much for tuning into today's upload and watching. And also, if you all like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribing to my channel if you don't mind. I really appreciate you coming over to watch, and you can all check out the playlist that's linked in the description box down below, as we are giving you all a grocery haul to look at and see what everyone picks up and what everyone grocery shops for.